Okay, now that I have my program installed into the controller, I'm going to cut the piece now. So the first step is to bring up the program that I'm doing. Here's my program. I'm going to cut out this mud flap design. And now the first thing I need to do is move my cutting head to where I want my 0, 0 position, which is my bottom left corner. So I need to move it onto, I need to move my metal, my cutting tip, to where I need it to start. As you can see, I'm using my arrows, moving my cutting head. I'm going to start it, you know, up and down arrows, and then page up and page down moves my cutting head up and down. See, I want to move it, I want to get it 3 millimeters from the metal. Right here, I need that gap 3 millimeters. I use the page up and down to do that. Once I get that to 3, then I arrow left or right to move it to my starting point, which that's going to be my starting point right there. Once I get it to my starting point, then I'm going to use F8 as my 0. See, it's zeroed out my X and Y. Now I'm ready to cut. I have my head positioned on my metal. I have it zeroed out. So now I'm going to hit start. And it's going to ask me if I'm sure to cut. Press enter to cut or escape to stop. I'm going to cut, so I'm going to hit enter. It's going to go out. Switch position. You can see here it's following the cut path on the screen. At the same time it's cutting it. I have my voltage here set for your plasma cutter specs. Once it's done cutting, then the screen asks me if I want to move back to the start position. So I hit enter. It's going to move, my cutting tip's going to move back to the 0, 0 point, and I'm done.